You don't, tears?
I am dying, Max! You just don't care because you're selfish, and you only ever care about yourself! That's what selfish means!
Whoa.
Guess what I am?
A bundle of sticks?
Exactly. Could you imagine if a Flower Scout managed to wriggle her way into our organization?
I used to be a Flower Scout.
Hello! I am Nerf!
Oh, I'm Brian. He just said my name a second ago.
Non-English names are very hard for me to pronounce. I'm going to call you Kimchi.
What? No,
Where are you from, Kimchi?
Kentucky. I think they mixed up my...